Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Kia Rio automatic. First, let's get comfortable. Adjust your seat so you can easily reach both pedals and have a clear view of the road. Ensure your mirrors are set correctly for maximum visibility. The Kia Rio automatic has a straightforward gear selector with park, reverse, neutral, and drive. Understanding these positions is your first step to a smooth driving experience. To begin, ensure your foot is firmly on the brake pedal. Insert your key or press the start button to ignite the engine. Once the engine is running, shift the gear selector from park to drive. Remember to release the parking brake. Now, gently ease off the brake and apply light pressure to the accelerator pedal. Your Kia Rio will smoothly begin to move forward. While driving, always maintain a safe following distance, typically a 3-second gap from the car in front. To slow down or stop, gently press the brake pedal. Avoid sudden, harsh braking unless it's an emergency. Practice smooth, progressive braking by applying consistent pressure. This ensures a comfortable ride for you and your passengers and helps maintain control of your Kia Rio. When you've reached your destination, bring your Kia Rio to a complete stop using the brake pedal. Once stationary, shift the gear selector into the park position. This locks the transmission and prevents the car from rolling. Finally, engage the parking brake for extra security, especially if you're on a slight incline or decline. Then, you can safely turn off the engine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.